Today I want to talk about how you can liken kicking a dog to testing for integrity. Hello. So I'm going to talk about tips for taking. Hello, Dale Majors here, and welcome to another video. If you haven't been to the channel before, like, subscribe, and you can follow along as I release content 5 days a week, all geared to help you get what you want and take action. So thanks for being here. Today, I want to talk about kicking dogs. And I do not condone kicking pets of any kind, but I like the analogy. So it's so important when you're working with people to have relationships that are really strong, that aren't fake, okay? And integrity is a really big piece of that. One of my favorite quotes actually has to do with, it lists a bunch of attributes, and it says, you know, when hiring for people, D-Hawk actually, it says when hiring, you know, hard work and intelligence and everything else is no good if there's not integrity, okay? So integrity is so important, and what is the way to test it? So I'd like to think about this, right? If you have a bunch of small children and you're going into a home with a dog, or you bring a dog in, that dog is going to have its feelings hurt. It's going to get its tail wagged. It's going to get her tail pulled. It's going to be pinched or tugged at or pulled. So you may as well see how it reacts when that happens. So, you know, if you did, you know, kick that dog or pull that dog's tail or something, is it going to bite you, right? Is it going to go and freak out? You know, coming from a guy whose brother got his, you know, bit or his lip bit, you know, by a nice family dog, okay? That's the thing. So how do we liken that to work or whatever, new relationships? And I would like to say that a tip is be open to conflict, and don't worry about having conflict or having hard things come up in relationships early, because those can help you identify the integrity of a person that much more quickly. So to really tell how a person will react is when, you know, what happens when something really hard does happen to them, or what happens how forgiving are they when you do something mean or that could be considered unfair, or, you know, are they going to freak out and lash out and be spiteful, or are they going to take it in and be more balanced? So there it is. When in new relationships, whether it's at work or, you know, personal, whether you're dating or whatever, don't be afraid to have some things go wrong, because things will eventually go wrong, and you want to see how people react when they do. So hopefully you can use that. Like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear what you think about that, and if you've experienced some, you know, benefit by that technique or others in the past. And thank you for watching. So like I said before, if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe, click the bell, and then you'll be notified every time a new video comes out, Monday through Friday. Here are a few videos that I've done recently, and thank you for being here.